description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo, and this is a Shio Yakisoba Yuzu flavor. And I will say right off the bat, I'm generally not into Yuzu in the slightest. I've never liked it. I've always found it to be like way too much like, I don't know, just funky. A lot of people like it. I get that. But I'm not a fan. So I had a weird thing happen this morning. I got a voicemail message, because if somebody calls me up and I don't know who they are, I generally just throw it over to voicemail. And it was some kid from Colorado who left a message saying, I called and it went over to voicemail and I'm gonna unsubscribe from your channel and blah blah blah, Ramen Raider. Like, okay. It's funny because once in a while, somebody will find on my website my phone number and they'll call me up. And if they leave a message and they have a good question, I'll call them right back. That now. But it's kind of funny. I've gotten people asking, where can I get this ramen? I just got out of jail and I want to get this jail ramen. I'm like, they don't want you to have that. They won't give it to me, so they're probably not going to give it to you, dude. I had a lady call me up one morning. This is mainly the reason why everything goes to voicemail. One lady called up one morning and was like swearing me to secrecy about her idea. What was her idea? Multicolored instant noodles, to make sure the children eat all their instant noodles. So they were rainbow colored. I'm like, that's going to be difficult. I've seen it done. Asha out of Taiwan, they did one that was a multicolored. I think one type of the dry noodle was like pumpkin, so it was red or orange. One had miso, so it was red. Maybe it was something else. One was purple because it had taro in it. I think there was a green that had a little bit of seaweed. But, you could do it that way. But insofar as just like a regular pillow pack instant noodle, that, I don't know. You could do it. I think the cost to do it would outweigh the point of doing it. I did have one, this company out of South Carolina? Palmetto State Foods. One or the other. I know the either North Carolina or South Carolina is called the Palmetto State. But they made Ramen Express. That was it. Chef Wu. They made one that had like a rabbit, and it was supposed to be for Easter, and it would change color when you added water to it. So the noodle, you would open it up, and the noodle looked like it was like pink, and then I think it turned blue. It was something like that. It was neat. And it actually was a tasty product. I liked that one quite a bit. But, yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like the whole thing with the ketchup. You ever had that? The purple ketchup or the green ketchup? And the blue French fries. I don't know. When I was a kid and I got to have ketchup and fries, that was great. That was like a special thing. I was excited. That's good stuff. But my parents never really served stuff like that. When my parents, like, for one thing, everybody always had the same thing for dinner. We would always sit down at the table for dinner, and we would have stuff like, my mom would make like filet of sole, or she would make turkey croquettes, or she would make stuffed bell peppers, or yeah, I mean, it was like, a lot of it wasn't food that I think most little kids would like, but, you know, that's what was for dinner. There was no question of it. There was no, I don't want to eat this, I want to eat something else. I don't like that. It's like, tough. That's what's for dinner, kid. Oh, wow. This smells like lemon bars. Oh, my God. How do you garnish this? It seems like it needs icing. Just from the scent of it, it needs like icing you would put on some kind of baked confectionery bready product. But we'll see. I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna say it smells good, but insofar as going with a noodle, I don't know. But here is the noodle. Here I go. It's not bad. After that whole preamble, it almost pains me to say that, but it's not bad. I think it would pair well. Excuse me. Pair well with like. Hold on, I have the hiccups now. It's kind of dry. That's a thing about me you might not know. If I get the hiccups, all I gotta do is have a sip of water and they're gone. Everybody else I know, that doesn't work. I'm just like, drink some water. Little chug chug. But it doesn't work for them. Anyways, weaving back, the pairing for this, I think a little bit of chicken on top might not be bad. What else? I don't know so much about like a fried egg. There's a little bit of cabbage, I'm guessing. Mm-hmm. Very lemony. Salmon? Some kind of fish? Right, we got green onion. Got some sesame seed. Yeah, I'm kind of a one-trick pony today, folks. That's all I'm doing is sesame seed and a little bit of scallion. But yeah, I stand corrected. I like this one. Alright, well, you learn something new every day. Apparently I do like a Shio Yuzu variety. Cool. Well, I'm going to finish doing the dishes and take pretty pictures and then I'm off. So, yeah, you'll see another episode tomorrow. mysterious. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
The phenomenal world is a product of a mind, cerebral, metaphysical,